Are you looking for an easy to learn Tai Chi based exercise that strengthens your legs and hips, improves balance, helps you avoid falls, and is fun and a little challenging? Then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through one of my favorite exercises. It's called Tai Chi Walking. If you're new to Tai Chi, in addition to being excellent exercise, Tai Chi Walking helps you get a feel for how we move in Tai Chi. And when you're ready, Tai Chi Walking provides a foundation for other Tai Chi moves like the ones you see here. The footwork's pretty much the same. And if you have Tai Chi experience, the version of Tai Chi Walking I'm going to teach here is an excellent warm-up or quick practice you can do anywhere. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll show you a technique you can add to your Tai Chi Walking to up the degree of difficulty, at least a little. So you definitely want to stay for that. I'm 𝗧𝗶 𝗖𝵵, head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and author of Tai Chi for Balance, How to Stay on Your Feet and Avoid Falls, and Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low-impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. You can find links to more information about my books, courses, and other free videos in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Tai Chi and Qigong videos. For your setup, you want enough space in front of the screen so you can take 2 or 3 or 4 steps toward it. I encourage you to wear comfortable shoes, or you can go in socks or barefoot if you like. Here's the lesson plan. First, I'll do a quick demo of the movements so you can see where we're headed. Then you can join me as I break the movement down into 6 components. Then we'll do a short practice together, adding a little flow. First, I'll demo our Tai Chi walking exercise. There you go. Now you can get up and join me. So for starters, put a foot forward, put your weight on it. This will be the starting position. Then the first movement component, we shift weight back. And when you shift weight back, you can come up off your unweighted foot, up onto the heel. Reset. Shift weight back. Reset. Shift weight back. Pretty straightforward. Now the next movement component, we're going to add some rotation. We're going to rotate out. So follow me. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Pause here. Now feel your knees. If you feel any strain on your knees, adjust so you do not feel that strain. Reset. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Reset. Shift weight back. Rotate out. And the rotation comes from the hips and the legs. The upper body just rides along above the pelvis. Now the next movement component is another weight shift. So follow me. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Shift weight. So now we've got 2 complete weight shifts. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Shift weight. Reset. And it's that smooth, complete, but gradual weight shift in Tai Chi that's so good for strengthening legs and hips. So let's do that again. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Shift weight. Now the next movement component is an intermediate step. So your weight's forward. Back foot is unweighted. So now you just bring the back foot up until it's about even with the front heel and land lightly on the ball of the foot. So the weight stays here. I've landed on the ball of the foot. So reset. Weight's forward. Here we go. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Shift weight. Intermediate step. Reset. Shift weight back. Rotate out. Shift weight. Intermediate step. Now you want to feel stable and secure here, so if you need to adjust the foot position for stability, do so. Reset. shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step. One more time. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step. Now the next movement component, the unweighted foot is going to step forward like this. So just extend your leg, laying lightly on the heel. Let's put that together. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward. Yeah, that's it. Let's do that again. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward. One more time. Here we go. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward. Now the next and final movement component, shift weight forward. And now we're set to do it on the other leg. So let's try that. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight. I'm going to ask you to pause here and feel the stability of your stance. The idea is that you step to a stance length and a stance width where you feel comfortable and stable. For example, if I don't step out sufficiently and I get a narrow stance here, not so stable. So if you feel that, next time step out a little wider so you feel stable. So let's try it. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight. So reset your position. Let's start putting that together. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight. There we go. 6 counts. 1, shift weight back. 2, rotate out. 3, shift weight. 4, intermediate step. 5, step forward. 6, shift weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reset your position. So now that we have the components, we can begin to add a little bit of flow. Here we go. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step out, shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight. Now, this feels like the muscles of your legs and hips are working. I would agree. This is excellent exercise. Let's try that again. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, step forward, shift weight. Very nice. So there you go. Introduction to Tai Chi Walking. An excellent Tai Chi based exercise that you can do anywhere. Wonderful for developing leg strength, hip strength, balance, and a sense of stability on your feet. As I mentioned at the beginning, now I will show you an element you can add to your Tai Chi Walking if you want to increase the degree of difficulty and the amount of muscular work your legs and hips are doing. And it's what I call a sink and step. So let me show you that. So here I shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step. Now watch, I'm going to sink into this leg and that helps shoot out this leg. And then I shift weight. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step. Now I'm going to sink, sink, sink before I step, and that's going to help shoot out this leg. And then I shift weight. Let me show you that again. You're welcome to follow along with me if you like. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, sink and step, then shift weight. Shift weight back, rotate out, shift weight, intermediate step, sink and step, shift weight. One more of those. Sink and step, shift weight. All right, there you go. Tai Chi walking. Enjoy your practice.